So hi guys, with me today we have Ashwin and Anand. They are the owners of our Kochi chapter of Detailing Mafia. They are one of our primary stores which we opened up in India, uh, and they have been doing phenomenally well in context of detailing. They are a big name obviously in Kochi, and they have been one of our founding pillars through which we have built this brand all across India, and they have actually been a key partner and player in going ahead with and showcasing our brand to this world. Uh, Both are very young personalities, very vibrant people, very active guys, and have a very sound business mind. They have uh, they were the first one to start off with having very snazzy videos. Some of those videos I always share to my franchisee leads. They have done phenomenally well in context of the kind of quality that we deliver to our consumers there, and that's what has brought TDM Kochi to the level that they are in, obviously their area. So, hello guys, how are you?
We are fine. Good.
Anand, Ashwin,
Okay, yeah,
just for our
fine, good.
viewers' knowledge, wanted to understand how long have you been with Detailing Mafia, and when exactly did you started off with the outlet? Can you brief our viewers about the same?
Yeah, it's been like our outlet is in the coming August 28th, like we will complete 2 years. Our outlet will complete 2 years, but even before that itself, like we have been in continuous talks with Manufacturing Car Care for the past 3 years, I think, more
Awesome.
than 3 years. So we will really know like how Manufacturing is capable of supporting us and like everything. Yeah.
Superb. And what got you guys interested in the detailing industry as per se, and then what made you decide for opting Detailing Mafia as a brand franchisee?
Obviously, we came into detailing because of a love for cars, love for automobiles, and the reason for choosing Detailing Mafia from the wide range of detailing showrooms across India is because of the product portfolio. No one else can beat us.
Can you elaborate on this?
Yeah, from starting from detailing brushes to detail factory brushes, and from microfibers, and like it goes on. It goes like the list goes on and goes on. It takes one entire hour to explain everything. So, like
So,
the
yeah,
scenario in
let me elaborate on
Kochi is
this.
like, yeah,
Yeah.
I give a short example because I don't want to take it too long. Because, pe- people the other showrooms in Kochi and all know, like they don't even know the kind of microfibers we have.
Right. So, just
If
for
I,
my viewers'
if I,
knowledge, Anand and Ashwin has seen our
yes,
development as a brand. Frankly speaking, 2 years, they were the initial few
yes,
stores who signed us and gave us the
yeah,
opportunity to showcase our support to our franchisee or our partners. So they are basically like partners to us. We have this portfolio which kept on increasing right in their purview. We started off with Labo Cosmetica, obviously it's our marquee brand. Then we had a lot of new developments coming in context of the brushes, the grid guard lightings, the bucket system, the buff bright lighting system. All those things came into inception. We used it ourselves. Then we introduced it to Anand Ashwin, the Kochi chapter, and that's how hand in hand we have developed this brand all across India, and obviously in Kochi as per se. And what my purview is with Kochi is the kind of videos they upload in their social media is also very visible as the kind of products they are using. And whenever you see this video and whenever you get time, do visit their Instagram channel. They have been posting up very good and delicious videos about how they detail their cars. Yeah, it's one of a kind thing. Again, hats off to you guys.
thank you,
Anand,
thank you for the good words. Yeah.
my pleasure, man. How is the response of the local consumers over there?
Uh, like what I have felt is that we are educating the people around here,
Right.
on how to, like, everyone in Kerala, like everyone knows that, like even you also know that, like people in Kerala like love their cars like anything, more
Right.
than that in other parts of the country.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
people over here, like, they're not knowing how to protect it, how to preserve it. So
That's true.
we are actually like educating them at first.
Right.
Like, we have to do like this and like this. And earlier was like people over here, like other detailing studios over here, like they even know, they were thinking like ceramic coating is detailing. I can't understand. I can't understand the stupidity, the level of stupidity in that.
Right. So I'll just brief our viewers. See, again, Anand and Ashwin being so experienced with their product, they exactly know what what the brand is, because they have the experience and they have been detailing cars themselves. That is something which is a testament to put, because obviously as a brand they know how to run a store, and brand owner, they have been doing that very on a very good scale. The kind of inputs they have given us in the last 2 years have helped us develop this brand in a grander scale. The sticker thing was their idea, the Detailing Mafia sticker which we have come up with. They were the one who initiated that and asked for kind of something that we should have a sticker, and obviously we launched that, and it has been a good big success. People now, whenever they come to Detailing Mafia, they ask for that sticker which says this car is Mafia protected. So obviously, Anand, Ashwin, Team Kochi, the Kochi chapter of Detailing Mafia has been a key player in developing this brand. I cannot emphasize enough on this, that they have been there since the beginning, and they obviously understand how the business works, because Kochi is the hotbed of car detailing. Kochi has almost the similar number of detailers there as we have in North India and Delhi. It's one of the detailing capitals of India. You have around, in the street which Ashwin, the Detailing Mafia Kochi is situated, this whole street has around more than 50 detailing brands there, or places there, and we have been forerunners in that industry. So that gives, obviously, by itself is a testament that what kind of products and the services that they have been providing there. And again, this is it might look like that I'm showering praises to Kochi, but the 100% hard work done by team Team Kochi is paramount to in the level that they have reached by now. So again, Ashwin, Anand, how satisfied are you with this work, and obviously with Detailing Mafia as a brand?
Actually, as a brand, we completely satisfied with the service support and the product quality. What we have, the product lineup. Actually, we have the complete lineup for a full detailing of a car. We can do anything except mechanical in a car. So
Right.
we are well confident in our product, like Ductile, Hydra, each and every product. It's very efficient one.
Right.
And I don't think so in Kochi itself, like anyone else have this type of lineup of product. And day by day, like new services is started. Like in PPF, we got new varieties like matte pearl finish and carbon fiber finish.
Right.
And clarity coat itself. Like we didn't start yet, but we'll soon.
Eventually, we would be investing in that also over there in Kochi, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely we are doing that. Like we are on planning.
Yeah. And how did you find the support that the company provides you guys with? Any ratings which you want to give? Like how have we supported you guys?
Like small issues came in the meanwhile of last 2 years, but all over like all together when we are thinking from the man machine we got uh, complete support. Like we didn't face any much difficult, but the starting stage small issues came, but it's all now like now it's everything going very smoothly.
Super.
We don't have
So,
any problem.
yeah, as I said to my viewers, as I said that we developed along with Ashwin and Anand, this brand, they joined us in the nascent stage and we started off developing this brand. So obviously in the, running such a brand and developing it, there are certain issues that come up, and they have been very helpful in resolving those things on local level, and we have also tried and did our best to solve that at our level. So that's the way we do the business over here in Man Machine Car Care and the Detailing Mafia, and that's how we have provided support to our franchisees. And I hope everything is fine now and the feedback is good from your end. How would you rate us? And if we say from 1 to 5, how many stars would you give us?
I want to give 10.
1 to 5.
No, seriously, we can't expect anything more from you guys. That's on a serious note.
Superb. Thanks. That's high praise. Yeah, that's basically what we generally need to hear from our franchisees. And we obviously just wanted to understand if you are planning to have any second outlet coming up, or you want to start off with the Clarity Code thing. Can you explain our viewers if you're planning of doing that, and what is your what made you decide that if in case you are planning?
Like, yeah, hopefully, we are planning, in coming 3-4 months, we'll be starting the construction of a second outlet, and that itself will be a record in Kochi, because we started just before 2 years, and we are going for the second outlet in 2 years, and in between that we have 2 lockdowns also. Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Along with that itself, we are able to move ahead, and the sole reason for starting the second outlet is Clarity Code. We can't wait to get our hands on Clarity Code.
Right.
People over here will be so amazed to see it.
Yeah. So that is something which we have developed in the last 1 year. Clarity Code, my viewers, is our peelable paint concept. This is something which is spearheaded by us, and we are the pioneers of this in India. We are the only branded concept who is coming with a peelable product. And again, we'll attach the videos of our peelable concepts and the kind of deliverance we have done in Delhi and other places. In Hyderabad, we have those stores. That's what Anand and Ashwin are planning to come up with in Kochi. And once we are there, obviously we have been doing very good, and I'm pretty confident that once we have a paint booth and Clarity Code concept there in Kochi, we would rock even on a higher scale. And
Definitely.
Right, so you guys have been in this business for 2 years, and you've seen a lot of success. Wanted to understand post pandemic and this pandemic thing, how tough were things, and post that how soon have you bounced back in context of the sales part? So my example would be let's say X amount was your average sale before pandemic, and post pandemic, how soon did you reach to that average sale again?
Like actually, after first lockdown, our sale gone completely down. After first lockdown, May 2020.
Mm-hmm.
So, but in second lockdown, scenario changed. Actually, I think maybe people used to with this disaster time period. So no one is care about anything. So they start to spend money. Nothing like where we stopped in March 2021. The same position we started in May 2021. So nothing happened in Kerala. So as you guys know, in Kerala situation is very worse. But altogether, nothing is happening here. The automotive industry is going very good.
Right. So this has been a trend all across India, frankly speaking. To my viewers who are watching, all of our stores, post second lockdown, let's say for an example, we say that we were earning an average of 10 lakh rupees average per month before lockdown. Post lockdown, the same month, let's say the lockdown opened in let's say Kochi around June. So we bounced back at the same rate on an average. So yes, so it's very reassuring for the businesses that are associated with us, that we are doing great in context of people coming out. So thanks to our consumers who have been to Detailing Mafia Kochi, and we wouldn't have done without you guys. You have been the sole reason that we have been operating there. And Anand and Pradeep, Anand and Ashwin, they have been working just because of providing the kind of quality that we ensure providing to you people. So thanks a lot to my consumers who are watching this. Anand and Ashwin, just wanted to understand what difference do you find between us and any other detailing brands? Can you just elaborate what exactly has there been any differences? Though comparing ourselves to any other brand would be like comparing apples to oranges. But let's just give our viewers some points to think about that why they should either go with us, and what exactly is our strength in that case.
We don't have to explain much about that, because like our caption still says that like perfection is in the details.
Right. Yeah.
No one else comes close. I can vouch on that.
Yeah. I think that's one sentence says it all.
One sentence sums it up. Like,
yeah, it sums it up. Any feedback that you guys have for us as a brand?
Doesn't think so. We are the ones to ask you.
No, again, as I said in my previous, previous few words that I said, obviously, see, we need to understand you have been with us for last 2 years. You have been one of the key reason of our success, obviously in South. We have modeled your success to a lot of new franchisees. They saw your work, then they invested with us. So we cannot obviously by any means say that you haven't been the part of Detailing Mafia family or you haven't played any key role. Obviously you have. So that is well founded by now. I just wanted to let my viewers understand the fact, Anand, Ashwin and the whole team of Detailing Mafia Kochi, they invested with us when this brand was on a nascent stage. Obviously, we were providing them with best quality products. We do that. We have been known of doing that. We haven't done any kind of, extensive marketing. Whatever sales, whatever products, whatever services we have, whatever consumers comes to us, be it people who are coming to our franchisees with their cars or people who come to us to buy our franchisees. Everything, almost every of our franchisee has been through word of mouth. Word of mouth only happens when you have good places to show and good products to sell and obviously good services which you provide, and people obviously are satisfied with that. So the history speaks for itself. Kochi was one of the first 10 stores which invested with us, and as we speak we have already signed around 55 stores all across India. So that is a testament to itself that what kind of work Ashwin and Anand have put up in Kochi, that we have rose to this level. Obviously everybody has done their 100%, but their part is edged to our company's history. So yeah, that is something which I want to close this session. Before that, any Ashwin and Anand, any advice you have for our entrepreneurs who are planning to invest with us? Any advice for them? You want to let them know post-corona, if in case they need to be cautious about something, or any kind of business plan they want to come up with if in case they are planning to invest with us?
I just wanted to tell everyone who wants to those who are planning to take on Detailing Mafia franchisee, I just want to tell them just trust Man Machine in the starting first year. Actually, yeah.
Thanks a lot. That is something which is almost made my day. It made my day.
Yeah. Because like yeah, seriously, you guys are having like 30 years of experience in this field, so like we can learn from you. Like we don't have to go anywhere else. That's it.
Thanks for the high praise. That's really high praise, and we appreciate that. Anand, Ashwin, thanks for your time. I'll be ending this session on a nice note. Everybody who's watching this, I'm Shaurya. I'm the General Manager Sales and Operations for franchisees. We are available in Kochi. We'll attach the locations in the link below. You can go through that and visit to us whenever you feel free. Have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.